Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to easily watch Directv on your phone. So if you're looking to watch some of your favorite TV shows or movies, let us do that. So just search for Directv on Google Play Store. Go into this page. This is the official application for Directv, as you can see also from the publisher. And then just install it, open it up. So guys, you will be prompted to, of course, log in into your account. When you first log in into the app, if you already have one, you just use your email and password, just like anywhere. It's super intuitive and super simple, nothing too complicated. If you're new and you wish to create an account, also very simple. You just provide your email and your name. That's it, nothing else. You don't even have to confirm your email based on what I've seen. So I just signed up for the fresh account, and as you can see, welcome to Directv. Your free TV is right around the corner. So let us start watching. Also, guys, don't forget that you have to be in a supported country to watch your TV shows. And there we have it. This is going to be our interface. What do we have here? So we have the Watch Now tab. It's pretty much like a promotional, I guess, tab where they just throw stuff at you and they recommend something you might want to watch. As you can see, you can just scroll and you can, as you can see, watch some movies, some TV shows right over here. So if you want to watch something, say we want to watch this, go away with it. As you can see, we'll be taken to this page. And what do we have here? We can just watch live. We can upgrade to record this if you wish to record this on your device. And you can also bookmark it like that. As you can see, it's now bookmarked. And also we can go ahead and choose our season. Of course, you want to start from season 1. There you go. And in here, as you can see, we have the episodes. So the very first one is going to be on the very bottom. You start from the bottom and then make your way up to the top. And the second tab is your library. This is where you have your bookmarks. As you remember, I just bookmarked this TV show and now it appears here. Also, you have your recordings. Just like I said, you can upgrade and record. And also we have on demand. We have movies, as you can see, that we can watch, and also the TV shows. So for example, let's press on Predator. It's all the same. You just need to upgrade your subscription and then you can just go ahead and watch it right over here. And that's pretty much it. Create an account. If you wish to upgrade and buy premium, you can do that. And now you're ready to watch your movies and TV shows. That's it, guys. Very simple to use. If this video helps you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.